Here's a long-form YouTube article review for the 2025 BMW, all versions grey color, backside focus that you can use in your video description, blog, or as a script for narration. 2025 BMW, all variants grey color, backside review in-depth analysis. Welcome to Motor Mania Hub, where horsepower meets style. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 BMW lineup, with a special focus on the grey-colored models and their rear-end design, features, and performance. Buckle up, because BMW has truly raised the bar this year. A new era of design, the 2025 BMW look. The 2025 BMW models carry forward the brand's bold design language but with sharper precision and a modern twist. While the front fascia often gets all the attention, today we're zooming in on something equally important, the rear profile. In grey, whether it's skyscraper grey metallic, Brooklyn grey, or Dravet grey, these cars look nothing short of stunning. The subtle metallic sheen paired with sleek curves gives off a premium yet sporty vibe. The rear design reflects BMW's dedication to aerodynamics, luxury, and functionality, all in one. Rear end highlights all variants. Taillights. The new LED taillight setup is more sculpted and dynamic. BMW's signature L-shaped light bars are now more aggressive, giving the car a futuristic glow at night. Bumper and diffuser. Every variant, from the 3 Series to the 7 Series and X models, features redesigned bumpers. On M versions, you'll find sportier diffusers and integrated twin or quad exhausts. The standard versions focus more on elegance with cleaner lines. Trunk design and functionality. The trunk now offers hands-free operation across most variants, and the loading space has been optimized for practical use. The 5 Series touring and SUVs like the X5 and X7 especially benefit from this. Badging. BMW has refined its rear badging, making it sleeker with subtle chrome or blacked-out finishes depending on the trim level. Model-specific rear differences. BMW 3 Series 2025. In its updated form, the 3 Series maintains its compact and athletic silhouette. The rear has received a slight nip-tuck with a cleaner bumper design and tighter light graphics. Perfect for urban driving with a touch of sport. BMW 5 Series 2025. This midsize luxury sedan brings a bold and wide rear, emphasizing comfort and performance. In grey, it looks particularly executive. The lighting cluster stretches out for a wider visual stance. BMW 7 Series and i7 2025. Pure luxury. The rear of the 7 Series looks like a moving piece of modern art. The chrome trims, hidden tailpipes, and LED blade lights show BMW's shift toward minimalism with high-class appeal. BMW X Series X3, X5, X7. The SUVs have a more robust and muscular rear design. Especially in grey, they exude dominance. The X7, for instance, boasts 3D rear light graphics and a full-width LED light bar that looks incredible at night. Performance meets design. It's not just about the looks, BMW has fine-tuned the aerodynamics at the back of the vehicle. Whether it's better airflow from the roof spoiler or more grounded grip thanks to the re-sculpted bumpers, every detail at the rear enhances performance, especially at higher speeds. M variants like the M340i, M550i, and X5M bring aggressive quad exhausts and aerodynamic fins that shout performance. Final thoughts. The 2025 BMW lineup in grey looks simply stunning, subtle yet striking, elegant yet aggressive. The attention to detail at the rear of these vehicles proves that BMW doesn't just design for the front camera view, they're thinking 360 degrees. Whether you're standing behind a BMW 3 Series or tailing an X7 on the highway, you'll feel the power, precision, and elegance from every angle. What do you think of the rear design of the new 2025 BMWs? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Mania Hub for more detailed reviews and automotive insights. #BMW 2025 #grey BMW #car review #Motor Mania Hub #BMW back design #BMW M #BMW luxury #BMW 2025 review. Let me know if you'd like a shorter version, Instagram caption, or script for a voiceover.